Yo, what's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Let's get into the trade recap. Been a minute. After I trade, a lot of times I be having to leave the office. Don't come back till late, and then it be too late to record because it likes to reset at midnight. So after midnight, it doesn't show my entries, exits, anything like that. Just got a lot of stuff going on, but I got some free time today, and let's get into this trade recap. Made 324 bucks. Traded one stock, CYH. I'm gonna try to limit my trades, man. I got 21 tickets. So I traded 10 times, 11 times. I want to try to limit that to 5, but let's get into it. So basically, man, I was just trading this thing long and short. I seen this big rip at the open, a big rip. So I'm looking for a short, the short and two. I ended up getting that. Shorted almost at the top, and then ended up covering at 646. That was a good trade, but I figured this thing could keep running, so that's why I just went ahead to my gains real quick because I figured it was gonna spike more. I just wanted to catch the middle of the move and not get stuck. So that's what you do. You scalp these moves. It ripped up more. Could have went long on this thing, man, but I was late to it. I seen it late, so I was short on it. Tanking. And then right here, I nailed the bottom right here. I did go long on it when it double bottom right here at 635. Perfect long right here. The thing is, got out too early, man. I got out at 650, so made about 12 cents a share, man. This thing went all the way to 770s. So I caught the bottom long and just missed out on all this, but I was trading within all of this, basically getting chopped up, man. After I sold, it spiked up, it came down. I went long again on this dip, sold into this grind. That's what began me, the grindy part. Like when it started grinding, I can't tell. It's hard to tell if it's gonna reverse or keep going. Like I be needing spikes like this. It need to show me. You know what I'm saying? All this grindy stuff. That's why I sold early, because it was just grindy. You don't know if it's gonna reverse like this or not. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I sold early. So I flipped shorted it at 721. Got out. Shorted it again. Squeezing. Ended up getting out. Taking a small loss. Then it dropped down. So I was right. But then I flipped back long again when I seen it bottoming out right here at 712. Sold it up to the spike. It's basically in and out, man. That's what I said. Too many trades. If I would just had this trade right here and just held it, that would have been 2 trades, and I wouldn't have to pay all these fees and stuff. But got to play it safe. Went long at 725. Sold it. 732, small gap right here, and then shorten the top right here at 771. Like a lot of these trades, I'm nailing the bottom and the top. I sold it on the bottom. This was my mistake right here. I easily could have been up like $700, but I gave back a lot right here. I regret this trade because I knew better. Okay, when it tanked and I got out, right, as y'all can see, if you draw a line, it came down to this previous resistance level right here. Previous resistance turns into support, so they turned into support. That's what it came down to on this 740 price. I should have left it alone after I covered right here, man. I went short thinking it was gonna roll over. I thought that was it, but then it ended up reclaiming and going up more. Like I squeezed out, and then I took the loss right here. I regretted that trade, man. I lost like $300 on that trade, and then I seen it topping out later on in the day, so I went short 782, looking for the unwind. I thought it was gonna unwind the way it was looking. I thought it was just gonna keep on just tank. You know what I'm saying? I was looking for that. It looked like it was gonna do it, and then it started catching a bid right here. So I said, let me get out, man, because I ain't got time for this. Because this thing could just rip right back up, and then, you know, now I'm just up $100 or something like that. So I said, let me go ahead and take this game right here and be up $324 and just call it a day, man. I'm happy with $324. It adds up, you know. And I was done with the stock, man. This is the only stock I was on, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, man. So make sure you follow me on Twitter. I do tweet my entries and exits sometimes on Twitter. Go to DCPRT1. And also, like I said, I've been talking about my website. I'm gonna bring it back out. You know what I'm saying? Just been focused on the people that, you know, I'm working with right now. But I'm gonna start having more people come in. But that's pretty much it about this recap. We'll see what happens tomorrow. And that's it. Hope y'all learned something. I'm gone. Peace.